Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car hood of your Dacia Duster. Okay, let's start. We are going to open the driver's side. And at the pedals, you can see, if you look into the pedals on the left side, there's a lever. This lever you are going to pull. Yeah, good job. That's enough. One pull is enough to open the car hood of the Duster. So let's head up to the front side of your car. There's a Duster or Dacia signed brand, and under the car hood you can see a little metal lever, and this lever you have to push left turn. At the same time, you will lift up the car hood, and then the car hood is ready to open. Job's done. You do not have to do more because there is a bumper in it. Good job. Here it is. If you finished your work, your maintenance style at the engine area, you have to close the car hood by smashing it. Let it drop 20 centimeters above the sign. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Yeah, Duster. Soon.